This is name. Kalisa lang ako. Look. Look. Two Mookie. Sorry, Mookie. Kalitingan mama ko. Tingnan mo. Kalisa lang ako. Because I found a girl that pretty. Kalisa lang ako eh. But by Mookie. Look. Sad letter. Me too. Two Mookie. Mookie, but I found a girl that is pretty than you. Oh, I don't like you anymore. Bye. This is mine. Two Mookie. Sorry, Mookie, but we should break up because I found a girl that there's peace, but by Mookie. There is 20 and there is 5. Look. Identified card. Look, and I have a credit card. I have two. I have one here. And this is the credit card. Wow. It's kind of cool. Not mine. Wow, si Yuni din daw. Pwede din 25. And ang rami kong pera, guys. Ito, idadala ko to sa school. Yes, me too. I'm grade 3. I'm grade 3 too. Halidala ko din yung school. Is 25. Is 25. 25 pa yan. Oo. I have ang 5 and dos. This is really, and this is very cute. Let's ASMR. So this is ASMR. And this is very cute. And this is, oh, I have a labu. Sana all. This is very cute. Kaya mo sana all kasi yung itong bag.